Let me show you how easy it is to route the wires for this cabinet inside of SOLIDWORKS Electrical 3D. I have made sure that my electrical project is loaded from SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematics, and I've also made sure that my electrical components have been assigned to the 3D models that you can see here. To route the wires inside of this cabinet, I have a few settings to confirm things like the route type and what components I want to create the route for. I'm going to generate this route for all of the wires on all of the components inside of my cabinet. SOLIDWORKS Electrical 3D makes use of SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematics information inside of the project where the connection points to the different components were defined. And because these are the same on my 3D models, the automatic route can then happen. Once the routing is complete, I can view the wires that was generated for me. From here, I can then also collect information like the wire lengths, and I can also generate the necessary drawings for review or assembly. That is how easy it is to route inside of SOLIDWORKS Electrical 3D using the AutoRoute function.